Hey guys, I'm Sean, the garage designer in the drafting room at Obsessed Garage, bringing you another OG Academy video. Today we're going to talk about Lutron and Lutron Components, the different systems that we use here at Obsessed Garage, and why we use them. So we sell Lutron Components because in the drafting room we use them as our lighting control for our fantastic Cree LS fixtures and our DMF lights and our Cree recessed down lights. As far as Lutron Components go, we focus on two main components, that being the Lutron PowPack, this being a raw to select module. And basically what this is it's a dimming module that will sit between the voltage coming from your breaker box and the light fixture itself. And what that's able to do is it's able to enable you to use a Pico wireless dimmer switch to control the lights over a radio frequency without any neutral wires being run. There are also a few other components that we use to make the Picos able to be used on the wall, such as wall adapters, Clara wall plates, and Lutron even offers a couple of different hubs that we sell to be able to support app control, that being the Lutron Vive hub as well as the raw to select main repeater. In garage design, we use a very basic Pico and PowPack system that you can add a Vive hub onto to bring in app control, but we usually keep that as an add-on for customers that want to just use the switches and the PowPacks for dimming the lights. So one of the main differences between the raw to select and the Vive systems is that the raw to select system is able to support more devices. It's able to support 100 devices, those devices being Picos, PowPacks, vacancy sensors, Maestro switches, things like that, whereas the Vive system can only support up to 75 devices. So you may want to consider this when you're picking which Lutron system you're going to use in your home due to the device limitations. Setting up your Picos and PowPacks is really easy. To put your unit in the pairing mode, you'll just hold the power button for 6 seconds and it'll automatically be in pairing mode. Then to pair your Pico with the PowPack, you'll hold the same off button for 6 seconds on the Pico, which is the button at the bottom, and then the lights in the room will flash intermittently to confirm that the modules have been paired. The Pico that we use here at Obsessed Garage has 5 simple buttons on it, those being the on button at the top, the off button at the bottom, and then 2 dimming buttons to customize where you want the brightness of the fixture to be. And then the center button is a customizable setting. This is the button that you'll use when you walk into most rooms because you can set it at any brightness that you want by just holding that one down for 6 seconds, and then the lights in the room will confirm that you've set the new preset. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about Lutron or you want to design your garage or home with a Lutron system, make sure you reach out to design@obsessedgarage.com and we'll gladly answer any of your questions. Also make sure to check out our other drafting room related videos on the Obsessed Garage Shorts channel. See you guys later.